Wabagana. Hi, welcome everybody. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. And in case you're new here, welcome and feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel. They always say welcome or akwaba to Ghana, and of course we are in Accra, Ghana, in one of the institutions over here. How do you say like institution? Can it be governmental institution? What comes in your mind when you say about institution? So we are in one of educational institution over here in Accra, Ghana, called Technical University of Accra, TUA, and it's one of the most amazing opportunities that I've just been granted to come in. Did I come to study? Did I come to enroll myself in this amazing, great, breathtaking area over here in Accra? Of course I love Accra. Of course I love Ghana. Am I not going back to my country, Kenya? I should stay here. I came to add more knowledge so that I'm going to be traveling and share with you an amazing experiences of different countries where I go. Let's put that aside. Have you subscribed? If not, please subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. Today is one of the most amazing moments. I'm actually inside the institution here. That's Technical University of Accra, just representing you people from Kenya, or you people from all the side of the world, just to gain knowledge, then come and ooze for you. So actually I'm inside here. I want to give you one of the best tours over here, and also I'll not be alone as always. I'll be with one of the insider over here of the Technical University, and I can't wait to welcome her on board. And here she is. Are you ready for it? 1, 2, 3, go! Good.
Hi. Hey guys, welcome to Claude's channel. My name is Tina Male and I am a student of Accra Technical University, and yeah, today we are touring the campus. Okay, I'm showing Claude around. Okay, yeah, that is why we are here. I'm also a YouTuber, so you can consider subscribing to my YouTube channel as well. Yeah.
And that's why we are here in Accra University. Tell us about this university for the people who haven't known. Just give them some tips about this university.
So this is a technical university, as I said, and we give admission to people who want to do HND, who want to do diploma, who want to do masters or even degree, and we have a lot of courses here.
Wow.
So just get your own course and just apply. We are going to admit.
Do you
here.
offer courses of traveling?
No.
Do you offer courses on YouTube?
No.
Alright guys, actually they always say in the world that a tree without fruits is like a head without knowledge. So we come here to gain knowledge so that we can just have an amazing experiences as we give you history, as we give you travel to different geographical areas to share with you. So let's deep in and share with you amazing. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. The link will be below at the description point at Tina Male. Alright guys, let's see you. Alright.
So yeah, let's go.
Okay.
So as I said, this is the administration block.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you have running water. It's like oh wow, man, you have some tortoise. Guys, look at that. There's some tortoise over here. I could have dipped. There's some tortoise over here, and also there's another one over here. Oh my god, they are keeping tortoise. You see, like this. Oh man, it's folding its head inside. Wow. There's another one. It's pulling up the head. I don't know. Wow. Come on, man. How are you? Look. It's a tortoise. So this is the administration block, right?
This water used to be clean.
Okay.
I don't know why.
You know,
it's dirty.
it's because they're putting food for the tortoise.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's putting food for the tortoise.
And we are celebrating our 75 years of existence.
Oh, 75 years of
This
existence.
school has been in existence for 75 good years.
Fourth best
Yeah.
university in Ghana.
Ghana.
Can I just show them?
Yeah.
You see, guys, it's the fourth best university in Ghana and 28 in sub-Saharan Africa. Wow, so nice. Atu. Okay, let's go. I'm with my paper over here, and I'm going out in class. Over here, I'm having my work. I'm going to do some representations with my other fellow students, like teacher or lecture. I'm having the presentation that you made it over here. So let's go and have a quick tour of this university over here in Accra, Ghana. And I'm so much happy to be in. And also, they always say education is the key. On the other hand, they always say a tree without fruits, it's like the head without knowledge. So we always come here to acquire knowledge so that we can just get exposed and do what you call like learn more about our world, learn more about ourselves, so that we can become doctors, we can become carpenters, we can become pilots, and so many other stuffs. So let's go and acquire knowledge as I give you a round tour of this amazing university. And also, she is here. She's the access grantor. Thank you so much, access grantor. Introduce yourself once more again.
So hey guys, my name is Tina Male. I'm also a YouTuber, and this is my school.
Oh, now it's our school.
So this is Accra Technical University,
Yes.
and yeah, I'm taking Claude Joseph on a tour
Hey,
on campus.
being back in school, sometimes people feel it, and they're like, "Hey, me, I never go back in school. I never even want to see even. I don't want to see even. Don't want to be even near the school compound because they tortured me. They taught me this. Now I'm struggling." No, school is one of the greatest things. So let's keep on moving. Yes.
So this is the ATU Medical Center.
Oh.
This is our school clinic. It's actually new and it's still under construction.
Oh,
Okay,
wow.
So yeah, we've not started using it. We have the old one at the back of this one.
Wow.
So yeah, this is the medical center.
Oh, medical center. Over here, you see H. When you see H, guys, don't think it's helicopter. It's a hospital. Health centers, medical center over here. In what do you study here? Maybe people will be asking, "Hey, are you a nurse? Are you?"
I'm a marketing student.
Oh, marketing student.
Yes, and I'm in level 100 going to level 200. Yeah.
Level 100?
So I'm actually a business student.
Let me ask, level 100 going to level 200. What does you mean? How is education system over here? Because with us we have what we call like you can get we go by grades, yeah, maybe diplomas, degrees, masters.
Oh yeah, we have that here as well. We have diploma. We have students here studying in diploma. We have HND, that is higher national diploma, and then we have degree. We have masters. Then we have distance.
No, distance
as well. Yeah. So all form of everything. Like,
everything.
Yeah, we
Like,
do all here.
like in Kenyan colleges or universities, we also have this what we like first semester, second semester, third semester. If you repeat, we always have what we call like the receipts. Okay, something like
It's
that.
similar here in Ghana as well. We have first semester, second semester, and we have the receipts you're talking about as well. First semester is mostly 3 months. Second semester 3 months, then you vacate.
Yeah,
Then
absolutely. Yeah.
if your grades are low, you get F in any of your papers. You are going to rewrite.
Oh, so you get F here.
Yeah, you rewrite.
So if you get F,
You're going to
Oh.
write everything.
everything.
I'm telling you.
Foolish form for fighting for food for 4 years. We used to say 4 F F F F. So if you get F, maybe like 4 Fs, we used to say like a foolish form for fighting for food for 4 years.
So this building right here is a lecturer's bungalow.
Okay.
Should I say a bungalow?
Yeah. Or lectures quarters.
Yes, lecturer's quarters. So most people here are lecturers.
Oh wow, amazing. Near the clinic.
Right opposite the school clinic.
Okay. So let's keep on moving. How big is this institution?
We have big universities in Ghana.
Yeah.
It is one.
Yeah.
Our campus is not so big.
Big, okay.
Like the other university. This is a technical university.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but the main universities are kind of bigger than this place. But it's not a small school as well.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
It's not small. These are the same thing to the institution.
Yeah, this is our new on auditorium that they are building.
Oh, new
So we
auditorium.
have the old auditorium right there.
Oh,
Maybe
yes.
we'll get there. So this is the new one they are building, and this is also a lecturer's block.
Block.
Yeah.
Wow. We'll be learning more from her.
So this block right here
Yes.
is it's a block that contains so many offices.
Yes.
We have the bank here, Access Bank right here, so
Yeah.
you can pay your school fees and all the
Okay.
school bills right here. We also have a bookshop
Okay.
down there that you can buy your books
Okay.
as well.
From this side.
Yeah, from
Oh,
this side.
wow.
The school bookshop is right here.
Okay.
And that is the bank.
Okay.
And we have other offices for the lecturers as well.
Oh, wow.
Some of the lecturers and the main offices that all these activities takes place is there.
Wow.
Also here.
Amazing. So you everything in the university over here. Sometimes we shall say like fooding, maybe like where the cafeterias. Do you people have some cafeterias over
Yeah,
here?
we have a cafeteria in the school. We have a cafeteria in the school.
Oh wow.
We'll get there.
Oh, let's keep on moving. So I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry to ask, but let's keep on
And-
moving. Do we see?
This block right here is this is the fashion block.
Fashion
So
block.
This is for the students who offer fashion and design.
Why didn't you do fashion and design?
Oh.
Look guys, actually let me know at the comment section. Why didn't you do fashion and designing? Well, it's your
I
choice.
actually love fashion,
Mhm.
but I didn't plan on studying it in school.
Oh, passion.
Yeah.
Okay. But
So, yeah,
at
this is
most,
for fashion stuff.
at most is like after making marketing, now you have nature in your body that it's naturally fashion.
Of course.
Yeah, so you can do modeling at some point.
So it's also under
Construction.
Yeah.
Wow. So let's keep on moving guys. Designs. So they're doing design and modeling. Oh my god. Look nice. Okay.
So this is the main lecturers block.
Okay.
So this building has the offices of all the lecturers in the school.
Wow.
So yeah, it has numbers. When you go in, everybody have their office inside over there.
Wow.
So this is where they rest. Their offices are here.
Most of the offices of directions.
Yeah.
Wow.
All the lecturers.
All lecturers
And
are
some
here.
are also there, down there. So.
Wow. The lecturers has offices sometimes on this other side of the block.
This building has the major lecture halls.
Oh wow.
This is called Great Hall Block.
Great Hall Block.
Yeah.
Or maybe I can just show them something over here. See the Department of Fashion, Design and Textile. Oh man, can they allow us to go in?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay. So it's a department, Accra University. It's over here. It's like Accra Technical University, Department of Fashion, Design and Textile. Oh wow. So it's like more of tailoring. Oh wow. So if they want to, you can give them maybe material or a design. They design for you. All right, it's very nice. Let's keep on moving on this side also. So you said this block is for
It's called the Great Hall Block.
Great Hall Block. Wow, amazing. Okay, it's free.
This one has the major lecture hall, the lecture halls up there.
Okay.
That is my lecture hall.
Up.
Up.
Oh,
You
okay.
climb the staircase to that place anytime I have class.
Oh, okay.
So this is the main hall. We have two main different ones. Like this.
Okay.
Yeah, then the next ones are also very large lecture halls.
Okay.
Right there.
Wow. We also have. I see you have polices over here. Are they also part of studying?
They are securities.
Oh, securities. Oh man, I'm so surprised to see police everywhere. So like, do you people do some crazy rioting maybe?
But we have some of them too who are staying here, especially the immigration personnel.
Oh, okay.
We
So
have
guys,
some of the immigration personnel who are studying
over
on
here.
campus as well. Yeah.
Oh wow, man, amazing. So actually guys, on this other end there's some blocks and also we have some polices and everybody over here in this technical university, which is very nice and great. First day being in a university in Accra, Ghana, and I literally for sure I matched it very well because they think I'm also a student from this side.
Yeah.
Because when I'm holding this, they think, oh, this guy. Oh, this is a mechanical area.
This is for engineering students.
Oh, engineering students.
Those who do mechanical engineering.
They come here.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Try to be a mechanic. You come in here. Oh, wow. So it have everything in here. Faculty of Engineering, alright? Wow. Your school
And
look.
This
Yes.
block this is for business department.
Okay.
So me as a marketing student, this is my block. We used to be here
So,
before we were moved there because
to
my
that-
class we are a lot.
Oh, okay.
My class we are a lot. So
Oh.
they moved us from up here
To the other side.
yeah.
So this is your zone. We always say this is your zone.
This is my
Your zone.
my zone.
Oh, sorry, it's because this side. The car is moving with a heavy engine.
And also this whole place is for engineering students.
Oh, Faculty of Engineering, this
We
side.
have different we have the civil engineering, mechanical engineering. They are all here.
Wow. If you wanna do what you call like constructions,
Yes,
we have them here.
Building construction, they are all.
wow. Building and constructions, they are here. Engineers for everybody, you know, everybody. As long as you are an engineer, electrical engineering, you are here, and things are going crazy. And it's over here we have HTU. Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
The TV station, ATU TV station and radio.
Oh, you also have TV station over here in the university.
Up there.
Wow.
This building also hosts some offices.
Oh, okay. Because I'm really confused. You know, the moment I'm here, I'm like, where did I even come from? Where am I going over this side? So it's a very nice moment being in the university, cruising over here, having some nice chit chat with our beautiful lady here, Tina Male.
Yeah.
You'll get the link under below on the description point, and please feel free to subscribe to her YouTube channel and say, please, Claude Joseph sent me here. She just willing to take me to her university over here in Ghana, Accra to be specific. Yes.
This is the auditorium we are using.
Auditorium.
right now.
All right.
Yeah. So the new one is what they are building there that we just showed you.
Mhm.
This is the old one we are using.
Okay.
The inside is big. Yeah.
Wow.
So
Oh,
this
that-
is the one we are using for now.
For now. Wow. Okay, let's keep on moving.
I'm going to show you some student hostels.
Oh, okay. How is hostel over here? Like, do you how are you allowed to cook in your hostels? Like, you know, in
Yeah.
Kenya, most of the universities mostly they're not allowed to cook in the hostels.
Okay, so here you can cook. We have kitchen in there. Every room has their own kitchen.
Okay.
Personally, I am not in the hostel, but I have friends who are in the hostel.
In the hostels.
Yeah, and you are allowed to cook. And here, majority of the students are in hostels around campus,
Okay.
but not on campus.
Oh, okay.
So this is the SRC complex.
What is it?
Student Representative Council.
Council.
Yeah.
So all the student representatives are
Yeah,
here.
they are here.
Oh man, I wish I can be a student representative over here. I can represent Kenya. This other side. Okay, I really miss that job because it used to be a free ticket of not to work, a free ticket of not to be chased school fees every time, a free ticket of not to eat what you call like a first person or the last person with best meal. It used to be a free ticket to just meet a teacher, any teacher.
So this is one of the new hostels on campus.
Wow.
Yeah.
It looks new, even new painted. Oh wow.
And this one is the old one.
Okay. Wow.
So this is new. This is
Oh, so here the hostels are being managed with what you call like employees who are being employed here.
of course, yes. We have employees here
Okay.
who manage the hostel. So when you are entering every hostel, you have a front desk. There
Okay.
is a front desk that someone is sitting there that you can ask anything concerning the hostel.
Oh wow.
Yeah. And this is our old basketball.
Old basketball court.
We have a new one they are constructing, but we can't go there.
It's under construction, yeah.
Yes. So
Which
this
guys are something like that, guys.
and this is canteen for like food where we normally come and buy our food.
Oh,
and stuff.
okay. It's like an outdoor.
Yes.
Okay, outdoor canteen in Technical University of Ghana over here, and it's very nice and great. As you see, it has a lot of buildings starting from this side. These are the hostels over here, and we are with our beautiful sister over here, Tina Male, who just we said Claude. I can just take you to the university over here. Maybe I can meet one or two people, just ask them how life is over here. You know, most of the students are on vacation, and also some are very stressed with what we call like their studies. So not everybody is approachable, but I love Ghana how it is. So I just give them their privacy time, so that who is willing will be, but who will not, and not keep on pressing. So let's keep on moving and we see. Yeah, Accra Poly.
So I'll be taking you to the main administration of the school.
Okay.
And down there is the cafeteria.
Oh, cafeteria.
Back here, this side.
Okay.
Where we have so good food there, like nice meal there. I remember when we came level 100 first semester, we used to come and eat banku here because the banku here is so nice.
Wow.
It's so good, yeah.
Wow.
Level 100.
Can we try this in these popcorns in university? Guys,
Sure.
let's try and see how much can they sell here. Is the things cheaper in what you call like in a technical university compared to outside? Let's wait and see. Wanna buy some? Ask them in your local. Hello.
With that, catch a popcorn here. Sugar or salt?
I think salt will be better.
Salt. You like needle milk powder attached?
Yeah, I think.
Okay.
Which do you like?
Anyone would be good.
Okay. So let's try this and we'll see. How much does it cost? Okay. Outside you can buy it around maybe 10 or 15 cedis, but inside here you buy them at 7 cedis. Wow, man. And 7 cedis in Kenya is 70 Kenyan shillings, or it can be $0.70 in a quick mathematics. Okay, let's try and see. So guys, we just found ourselves buying popcorns over here, and this costs like 10 cedis in it costs 10 cedis, and which is 70 Kenyan shillings in Kenya, back in my country, and in terms of dollars it's 0.70 in a university. Are those students with big machines or handbag?
We have students who drive on campus as well, and
Okay.
even some of them have big cars. Lecturers are not driving.
That's part of life. Yes,
Some of
let's,
them have big cars. They call me a student.
let's keep on moving. And over here it's Together We Can Learning Center. Okay.
Yeah, this is learning center.
Okay.
So you can just, if you don't have any class, see sometimes you can come to campus on time, and maybe the time for you to go for lecture is, it's not time for you to go for lectures, but you just want to come on campus early.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you can just go and sit there.
Okay, and just watch about it. Okay, that's amazing. So guys, this is how you see over here on this side. Students are sitting, enjoying their time, having their calculations, and some are playing games, and some are just doing the amazing stuff over here. Souvenir shop.
Yeah, this is a souvenir shop.
Okay.
Especially when you come level 100, they'll give you your stuff here.
Oh, okay.
So,
And it's so clean, I think. Oh man, wow.
this is the main administration block of
Okay.
my school.
Okay.
This is the administration block.
Administration block. In Ghana, and actually in Accra, in High University. Admissions now open, so I can enroll here and become a student, and just get my degrees from here, and they keep on moving. All right, let's keep on exploring. And
So this is like a car park,
Okay.
for both lecturers and students.
both lecturers and students.
Park their cars here.
Okay, a student come with a big car than the forest
I'm telling you.
forest. Oh man, it's crazy.
Then we have one more to go.
Okay.
This building is for those doing those who are in science, medical laboratory,
Okay.
science lab, technology. This is their block.
Okay. Over here.
So yeah,
Wow.
this is their block.
Yeah.
And so we have laboratories, we have libraries. Libraries, most of the libraries are on top of each block.
Okay.
And we have computer laboratories as well.
Okay.
And these are the places most students rest.
Oh wow.
This place, that place. We have a lot around where you can rest.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can become a student and come just rest, relax, and have an amazing wow.
Yeah.
Wow. This is Accra. Technical. Okay, it's R2. Accra Technical University. Wow. Wow, man, amazing and great. So guys, we want to end this video here, and I want to appreciate you, Tina Male. You have one of the best names ever, you know, Tina Male, like Bob Marley. do you have maybe some similarities? Maybe are you familiar to Bob Marley? Are you familiar?
No. Actually, my name is, I have Christina Amale.
Amale.
So the Amale, I decided to take the first A out, and the Christina, I just used the N. Tina.
Christina
so
Amale.
Tina Amale. So
Okay,
yeah,
Tina Male.
that is how I got my name.
Yeah guys, please subscribe to her YouTube channel,
Yeah.
like, share, and leave us a comment. And also thank you so much. Help me appreciate her by saying thank you by subscribing to her YouTube channel, and actually let's make her to 2K subscribers. And second, Joseph sent me here. She has been so nice and great, and actually I've acquired much knowledge over here in this amazing university over here in Accra, Ghana. So thank you so much, and let's see you in our next video. Bye.